Cybertruck and the land we've grown. Think I'm sitting easy, that it's all just owned. But they don't see the years it took to strive, the lessons learned, the will to thrive. Why? Wealth isn't just the things we hold, it's the stories lived, the values bold. This is the wealth we build each day, in the seeds we plant, in the work we stay. It's not just money but heart and soul, the 10 forms of capital that make us whole. Living, learning, giving our best, true wealth's the life we manifest. Material tools help build the dream, from the wood stove warmth to the flowing stream. Living capitals in the soil we feed, a cycle of care for every need. Social bonds in the friends we find, community strong ties that could bind. Cultural roots in the stories we share, the laughter, the wisdom, the love in the air. It's not about the dollar signs, it's about the treasures of our time. This is the wealth we build each day, in the seeds we plant, in the work we stay. It's not just money but heart and soul, the 10 forms of capital that make us whole. Living, learning, giving our best, true wealth's the life we manifest. Spiritual faith keeps our hearts aligned, physical strength in the steps we climb. Emotional grace when the world feels tough, intellectual growth in the knowledge we trust. They see the tools that gear the land, but it's the sweat and care that built it by hand. Every beam, every seed, every road we've laid was done with purpose, not a fortune paid. This is the wealth we build each day, in the seeds we plant, in the work we stay. It's not just money but heart and soul, the 10 forms of capital that make us whole. Living, learning, giving our best, true wealth's the life we manifest. So to all our friends who watch and see, this wealth isn't measured by currency. It's in the life we share, the lessons we teach, the 10 forms of capital we all can reach.